Hello viewer, in this tutorial we will learn how we can make a bird in PowerPoint presentation, and the same would fly through very simple transition you will shortly see. Furthermore, I added that the same animated bird is flying on a natural video of a sea at the end. Keep the video safe and do try with return comments. So now let's go and click on insert and take a shape from shape box, preferably a round circle, so we will make it a little oval. And it's done. Then click on the shape, give it a color, preferably white, and no outline, as well as the slide color is also green. Now go again and take another shape, preferably this one, but you can choose your own. Give it the same white color without any outline, so it may look alike. And third time, click on this shape. It's the head of the bird. Do the same, no outline, white color, and close its mouth a little more. Now let's go once again and make a beak for the same. So we will take a rectangle with smooth edges or corner, no outline, and same white color, or you can also change the color if you would like to do it. So curve the angle and place it. Now it looks like a proper beak. Now go again, and for eye, I take this shape which is more close to an eye. So let me make it a little larger. Now you can see it looks like an eye. Give it a color, preferably no outline. You can choose any color of your choice. It's done. Now place it and turn it the way you wish. Do any adjustment. Now encircle the area from head to neck and press from your keyboard Ctrl D to group it. It's for our ease. Now go again and take this shape, and we will make a tail of the bird. So let's do the same color without any outline, means or both outline and fill color should be the same or white color. Ctrl D for duplicate and place it properly, and once again we will select all these. Ctrl G for grouping it. It's for our ease. Later on you will see. Now let's go and open to make a feet of the bird. So take this shape and place it beneath the bird. It's your choice, either you would like to make it or not, but it's good if it look good. Also you can keep color the same, or you can change it a little. Now it's done. So right click and go send it to back, so the leg may not be looking odd. Now it's look perfect. So now let's go once again and take another shape for a wing, preferably the zigzag like or thunder like shape. Move it and color it the same way as we did earlier, that is white color, shape fill, white color, and shape outline, no outline or white outline. Now press Ctrl D so it may be a little more looks like a wing, and these are the furs of the wing. Now go again and take the D shape. You will understand why I take that from the shape box. Give it white color and node line and place it at the front of the wing so the wing doesn't may seem cut or sharp cuts at the starting end. Now it gives a proper look of the wing. Select the entire area. If it doesn't select the way, press Ctrl and keep clicking the three items. That is done. Ctrl G for grouping it, and now we will simply you have seen that the wing is entirely moving. So now let's go once again, click on the wing and Ctrl D for getting it duplicate. Now after duplicating, the same wing would be placed behind the first wing so it may looks like the bird is flying. Now after Ctrl D, the wing are in up direction, both wings, as well as after this we will create a duplicate of the entire slide. So click on the slide and Ctrl D for creating a duplicate, and now once again click on the second slide and press Ctrl D. So let's click on the head of the bird, tilted towards down, as well as the tail tilted towards down along with the wings. So the bird may be looks like it flying, so head, tails and wings all are moving. Now our placement of all the slides are okay. Now we will simply click the second slide. Go to transition, and in transition we will choose morph. It's done, the easy transition and the most suitable and best for animation. Go again, click the third slide, transition, and once again morph. You have seen it. Now click on the first slide, glue it, and now click it. Now you have seen that the bird is flying, its head, tail and feet all are moving. Now you will shortly see after this the same bird would fly on the sea, which you will certainly like, and I wish that the viewer may have a try to make this. Now the birds will change into a single bird. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.